The completely re-engineered 144 horsepower Razor XP Turbo has taken razor-sharp performance to a whole new level. And once you've created the world's most complete high-performance side-by-side, there's only one thing left to do. Double down. Introducing the all-new Razor XP4 Turbo. All the groundbreaking performance and durability of the Razor XP Turbo, with more room for sharing the ultimate off-road thrill ride. This is extreme performance for four, without any trade-offs or compromises. The 144 horsepower ProStar Turbo effortlessly carries a full load of thrill seekers up and over the biggest dunes. The extended wheelbase and exclusive Fox internal bypass shocks work with the industry's most advanced side-by-side suspension to tame the gnarliest terrain you can find. And the revolutionary high-performance close-ratio all-wheel drive and new front sway bar make XP4 Turbo the most agile four-seater to ever roam the desert floor. Filled with a full load of friends, or straight out two-up ripping, Razor XP4 Turbo takes performance to the extreme. Off-road adventure is best when it's shared. It's time to grab your friends and start chasing life without limits in an all-new Razor Turbo. Razor XP Turbo and Razor XP4 Turbo, the world's most complete high-performance side-by-sides. Razor-sharp performance has officially been turbocharged.